Hello guys, welcome to today's another cooking video. Today we're gonna be cooking a pasta with arugula, some lime juice, and also with parmesan cheese. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Please stay tuned. Now the first step, we're going to get the water boiling, and I'm also add some salt, at least maybe a quarter spoon of salt. I'm going to drop our pasta for 6 or 7 minutes. I'm going to add a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. For this pasta, I'm going to need some aroma tomatoes, or any of your favorite tomatoes. I'm going to use clove garlic. Fresh garlic, and then this is some of the white onion as well. Now we have our pan that is medium hot with extra virgin olive oil. I'm gonna add my onions first. Slightly stir. Now my chopped garlic, slightly thick garlic. Then also I'm gonna add my tomatoes. I'm gonna add some salt. And also I'm gonna add some red crushed peppers. Trying to do a little bit spicy. Just a little bit more of extra virgin olive oil. Red crushed peppers as well. Then also I'm going to add some white wine. And I'm going to let the wine reduce halfway through, and also some lime juice as well, and we're just gonna go ahead and let it reduce for at least 3 minutes. Now there are tomatoes, onions, and garlic, red crushed peppers, black pepper, and salt, and some white wine. Cooking white wine and lime juice. We have already reducing it down. I'm going to add my basil, fresh basil. I got fresh basil, and you can just kind of rip the leaves apart, or you can chop it as you desire. It smells really good when the combination of the tomatoes and the white wine combine together, and the garlic and the onions. It smells really, just smells like pizza. Now our wine is being reduced. One wine. I'm gonna throw the cooked pasta. Got all the pasta. I'll leave with the tomatoes and basil. I'm gonna add a little bit more extra virgin olive oil, fresh pepper, and also I'm adding some fresh arugula, and also some cubes of salted butter. Go ahead and stir it. This smells really good. Fresh parmesan. And now I'm gonna go ahead and place our pasta on the plate. A little bit more olive oil, fresh Parmesan cheese, okay, so lemon lime zest. And now let's start off our pasta, final product. It looks really good. It smells really good. We're also cooking with the extra virgin olive oil, which is the best, and also the healthiest way. Having the arugula tomato, garlic, and onion, it's a perfect combination when cooking the pasta. I think those are my favorite ingredients when it comes making a homemade pasta. So let's give it a try. It's really good. Adding the lime juice and the lemon zest, it brings all the flavors together. So I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Please share this recipe with your friends or family, and I'll see you in the next cooking video. And thank you again for watching Home Foods.